Hey guys, what's up? We are back again with another video, and in this one, we are going to be talking about promises. So what are promises in JavaScript? I'll be helping you in understanding promises and with the help of an easy example. So let's first start with the basic syntax of a promise. I'll be declaring my promise with the variable p equals to new promise, and it is going to take two parameters, that is resolve and reject. Okay. So what is resolve and reject over here? For example, I made a promise to myself that's coming year, that is starting from 2023. I'll be starting doing exercise. I'll be going to gym, or I'll be going to yoga classes. So if I made a promise to myself of joining gym, either I will going to go to gym or either I will fail to do so. So if if in case I started going gym, then my promise is fulfilled, and that means my promise is resolved. And if I fail to do so, I didn't join gym, or I didn't attend yoga classes, then that means my promise to myself is rejected. And this is what a basic example will of a promise is. So in terms of writing code, I'll be declaring a variable a equals to 1 plus 3. We all know that it is equals to 4. So if a equals to 4, then I want my promise to be resolved. Promise resolved. Okay. And if it is not equal to 4, then that means my promise is rejected. So this is a basic promise which we have wrote. This is our first promise which we have written. And how we are going to initiate this promise? Like, we will be using dot then and dot gets for that. P dot then and oops, p dot then, and in here I'll be taking message, and I'll be printing my message, or I would say my promise, oops, is fulfilled. Okay, and in here I'll type the message, and this is about the resolve block. And what if our promise has failed? Then we will be using dot catch. So you can see that my promise is resolved. My promise is fulfilled, promise resolved, because a equals to 4. Okay, but if I like changed this to 5, then what happens? My promise is rejected. Okay, so this is a very basic example of a promise which you can follow along with the documentation. And I have give you a brief idea like what actually a promise is with the help of a real life example. And see you in the next video, and hope you enjoyed my video, and follow along with me for such amazing content like this. And good.